In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to find games on Poppolive. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So as you can see on the screen, this is my home page. In order for you to actually find games on Poppolive, you can actually do this on someone else's live stream by going to their live stream like this. Now on their live stream, you can see the game option at the bottom of the screen. Now this screen might actually turn black because I'm actually recording the live stream of someone. At the bottom of the screen, you'd be able to see the game option. Now, so when you click on that like this, so right here you can see games you can actually play on this person's live stream. This is the first way you can actually find games on Poppolive. The second way you can actually do this is by going to your own live stream by clicking on the Go Live option. You can see the live option found at the downside of your screen. Click on it like this and click on Go Live. So when you go live like this, at the bottom of the screen, you can see the game option. When you click on it, you'll be able to see several games you can actually play on your live stream. So you can actually select any of the game. Now let's take, for instance, you want to select the Lucky Wheel game like this. If you select it just like this, you'd be able to start playing the game on your live stream. So this is how simple it is to find and play games on your Poppo live stream. Hope you found this video helpful. Because you've come to the very end of this video, now hit the like button, drop a comment, tell me if this video is really helpful to you, and tell me as well if you are still having any problem related to this video, and tell me if you'd want me to do any tutorial for you on this channel. See you in the next one.